How to add Stan Store to TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add your Stan Store link to your TikTok account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your TikTok account, and after that just simply go to your profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen, or you can go to the edit profile section as well from the middle of the screen as well. And over here you will be able to see the bio section in your mobile screen in the middle of the screen. And after that just simply open your Stan Store account in your web browser, and after that just log into your Stan Store account. And once you're logged into your Stan Store account, and in the home screen of your Stan Store account, you will be able to see the URL of your Stan Store account at the top right corner of your mobile screen. Just simply copy your URL in the clipboard of your Stan Store account, and after that just simply come back to your TikTok account in the edit profile section. And over here under the bio section just simply click on add bio, and over here just paste the link that you have just copied from your Stan Store account, and after that just simply click on save. And this way your Stan Store link will be added to your TikTok bio quite successful, and that's how you do it. So this is basically how you will be able to add Stan Store to your TikTok account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.